Hey everyone, welcome to Westanime tutorials that we can learn more about the basics. We are going to learn more about rounding numbers in this video. Rounding a number is basically making the number simpler. It is used to make an estimate of a number, where a closer number is easier to work with or to tell someone, or where the accuracy is not that important. There are only two rules to round a number. First of all, you look at the place value we are going to round to and the place value after that. The number after the place value, if it's less than 5, you round down, and we round up when it's 5 or more. Let's look at a number line to understand it better. Say we have a number line between 30 to 40. 35 is right in the middle. We want to round 33. We round it down because 33 is closer to 30 instead of 40. When we want to round a number, let's say it's 38, we round up because 38 is equal to 40, which is the next 10. Let's say we're going to round 52 to the nearest 10. The tens place is 5. We look at the place value after that, which is the ones place, which is 2. Now 2 is less than 5, we round it down to 0. So the answer is 50. Now let's round 177 to the nearest 10. First we look at the tens place, which is 7. And we look at the ones place, which is also 7. Now 7 is more than 5, so we round up, which is plus 1 on the tens place, which we get 8. So the answer is 180. Now let's round 964 to the nearest 100. We look at the hundreds place, which is number 9. And we look the place value after that, which is tens place, number 6. Now 6 is larger than 5, so we have to round up by adding 1 to the hundreds place. 9 plus 1 is actually 10. We carry over the 110 to the thousands place to make our answer 1000. Now let's try rounding 2475 to the nearest 1000. First of all, we look at the thousands place, which is 2. And then place value after that, which is the hundreds place, 4. 4 is less than 5, so we round down to 0 to make the answer 2000. Now let's try rounding one number to different place values. 27,156. If we round up to the nearest 10, the answer is 27,160. If we round to the nearest 100, is 27 and 200. If we round to the nearest 1000, is 27,000. But if we round it to the tens thousands, the answer is 30,000. You notice if we round to the closest smaller place value, the answer is much closer to the actual value. Let's try to test yourselves. See if you can round the numbers to the place value shown. Let's try it.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share our video, and subscribe for more videos to come.